Hi Aries, I'm Anisha. You can write to me at tarotbyanisha@gmail.com. You can also visit my website www.tarotbyanisha.com. And this is your monthly forecast for November 2014. Aries, we begin this month with Mars that is conjuncting Pluto, and this is happening on November 10th, and it's happening a part of a chart that has to do with career, it has to do with social status, and it also normally is known as a place which makes you very conscious about how it is that the society views you, or how it is that or rather you become very conscious at this point of time as to how it is that you're looked upon socially as well as professionally. So with the Mars conjuncting Pluto, you this aspect normally it's a little bit of a difficult aspect, and it indicates a time where you won't take bullying very easily, or rather even orders very easily. And since this is affecting a part of your chart that has to do with career, it could make you a little stubborn to feedback. It could make you a bit resentful as well, as far as your as far as authority figures are concerned, as far as you people at work are concerned, and you could feel as if you're not being understood, or what it is that you're trying to do is not being appreciated. This is also a time where you could receive some amount of, for some of you, some promotion, some kind of a accolade, some form of a recognition as well. And this also is a time wherein that you will be working on manifesting your true self. So whereas the stubborn streak is there, where with regards to dealing with your colleagues, the stubbornness will also come in handy as far as pursuing your career goals is concerned. Some of you may just become quite obsessed with wanting to see a result, or see as to how it is that a certain a project reaches its culmination and that you achieve success out of it. So it could be something that could simply consume you in November. You could just be somebody who's like I said, not just obsessed but even possessed as far as your work is concerned. You are your gut reactions at this point with the conjunct are going to make you quite volatile and even emotional at times. So watch out, Aries. Try not to be a little rash. Try not to operate only from gut. Try to get a sense of balance as far as your interactions at work are concerned. Also, this is a time where you will not be taking no for an answer, and you could be feeling quite willful and decisive, and the desire to let yourself get rid of things which don't matter anymore, or even trivial activities, will be quite strong. You would want to be doing things which are effective, productive, which have or lead you to an X result. So you're not going to be very happy with generally doing things for the sake of doing. And while a desire to control, or like I said at the beginning, or rather whether it's being bullied or being controlled by authority figures, so you could be feeling resentful. For some of you, you could be exercising that control on people around you. So try to be very balanced when you're dealing with your teams at work. Try to be I wouldn't say not really a sense of fairness, but try to be be fair and keep your keep a longer perspective in sight, Aries, so to speak. Now, Sun is going to be conjuncting Saturn on November 18th, and this is affecting a part of your chart that has to do with joint finances. It has to do with also with sensuality and sexuality, and it could make things a bit intense around this time. And the trick for you, Aries, around this time, this is from November 18th, is to focus on things which are most important. And especially this has to do with details that you might have been ignoring, and they could really help you move ahead. They could be a critical part as far as your progress is concerned at work. So try and ensure, even as far as, because this is your a house that has to do with your intimate feelings, and also like I said, joint resources and finances as well. So this is a time wherein that you really need to be looking for smaller things that make a large difference, Aries. So be little sensitive. And if you have been experiencing, for those of you been experiencing difficulties as far as your closest and your intimate relationships are concerned, and this is a time that you could realize that how maybe some things that have got done, small things that have got done, and the impact has been really huge and may not be a good impact, and you may have done things without giving it much thought, but this is a time wherein that you'll be seeing the consequences of it. So there could be some amount of a tension over here. In any case, this tension with a Sun and a Saturn conjunct, there is always an underlying tension that is there. Also, you could be feeling quite insecure about yourself, who you are, what you are, and for some of you, it could be, you could have a conflict to be who you are or to conform to what is it that is expected out of you. So there could be quite a tussle, and this has to do with both your work and your personal space. So you would not be taking too kindly to being pressured, being sort of put on a spot, and a part of you will be wanting to sort of revolt and rebel and come out and say things, and a part of you would want to conform. So there's going to be a bit of a tussle over here, and try not to force your opinions on others this month. Aries is not a great time to be doing that. It won't be taken very kindly. Now Venus is going to be trining Uranus, and this is happening in your house of self, and Venus, of course, with all the beauty and the grace, and Uranus is the unpredictability. And the moment this comes into your first house, this is a time where you would be you will be seeking change, and it's about you yourself, how it is that you see yourself, how it is that, and this has to do with your inherent character, or the person you have become. And some of you could be seeking a change, and whether it has to do with the way that you think, the way that you behave, and some of you could be seeking some excitement as well, and there could be some amount of some of you could be getting bored very easily, and you will be wanting to travel more to seek that excitements, and your relationships could become quite interesting with Venus love being there, and Uranus, of course, the unpredictability of it, and there could be some amount of nice, interesting, which you had not thought of or not planned of, things in your relationship may happen and it'll make you happy. And you could also meet somebody, some of you could also meet somebody quite suddenly at quite an unexpected place, maybe at a supermarket or somewhere, and it could be quite an interesting meeting, and it could, maybe result in a date or going out, or being intensely attracted to this person. For some of you, even falling in love, as unrealistic as it sounds, but yes, the possibility is there, and you could experience unexpected developments even as far as your finances are concerned, and you need to go with the change over here. This is towards the end of the month, Aries, and you're going to be generally be feeling quite more social and good about life, and generally experiencing more new things and being more open to variety and to newer things. And it could also make some of you quite interested in unusual subjects, and it could be maybe philosophy, or maybe has to do with occult, and it could just make you want to delve more deeper. So a good month overall, Aries, barring the first 2 weeks of the month, which suggests that keep that gut reaction in check, and try to see the longer term, have a broader view of the entire work scenario as to all your situation, where it is and how it is that you are. And as far as your relationships and money is concerned, yes, there seem to be some interesting and unplanned times which could make things quite exciting for you. So have a great November. I'll see you again in December. Thank you so much for watching.